Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie Freeman with the West Strong Foundation. Just wanted to give a huge thank you to everybody who came out to support our second annual West Strong fishing tournament. There will be a third next year, so stay tuned for that one. It was a bad weather day, but everybody got together, came out for the cause, and we are so appreciative. So if you would like to find out a little bit more about us and about what we do, please check out the link below, www.weststrong.org. Thank you very much. See you next year.
What's going on, everybody? Just another Seafood Saturday. It's 5:30 a.m. We're up. We're ready to go catch some croaker. We got the kids. We got Drew. Well, we don't have Drew. We're still waiting on Drew, but he should be here soon.
You have a smaller anchor just in case we need one?
No. Drew's the only anchor we need on this boat. Ain't that right, Drew?
No. I told him I'm not coming holding on an island.
Hey, it's not raining.
Yeah.
Not yet. All right, we're here at the fishing spot. Looks like nobody's here yet, so I'm gonna try and get these fish and get the heck out of here. The bite's a little slow this morning. We've been jumping around. We got 2 in the cooler so far, but not nearly enough. 3. Oh, okay. Correction, 3.
Hopefully it's a croaker, not a coyote.
Or a black sea bass. Got one too! Big. Okay, mine's fighting, or it's just, mine's just big or it's fighting.
Come on, Ava. Do you have something? I think you're stuck on the bottom.
Oh.
We out here, just another Seafood Saturday. It is raining its ass off. Look at the water just pouring off the bridge. We're still out here. I'll show you what we got so far. Show what we got, Silas. We got a nice, healthy stash of croaker so far. Got Angling Drew.
What up?
Catching all the fish today. Alright, the storm is here. We got about 15 croaker in the boat. Hopefully that's enough to secure a victory. We'll see. Alright, we're all ready for the weigh-in. We got our 6 best fish. And we're headed to Dam Marina. All right, we're here at the weigh-in, and yep, it's still raining. All right, boys, let's
I'm gonna
go.
watch the clock because I'm gonna time these guys out.
Stole first
Time
place
them out.
from us.
I'll be like, yeah, you're 12 seconds too late. You can't reckon. Keep my
What's the name?
JASS.
Nah, too late. No, I'm just kidding.
I ain't got nothing for that.
Yeah, that's a good catch right there. That might be Dan.
It's really I don't. I'm
1 pound, 10 ounces.
Oh no, we got a new leader. New leader, yeah. Sweet. Yeah.
All right, as it stands right now, we are in the lead. So unless some other people come in here with bigger fish, looks like we got this 2 years in a row, boys. Woo! He's got a pretty strong croaker strike. When you strike some croaker, they almost damn near come out of the water from 80 feet down.
Nice.
They just told us that we got first place for the kids and the adults.
Sorry, kid.
Aren't you glad you woke up at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. this morning?
Kinda.
Got soaking wet to go fishing in
I
the
might
rain.
just sleep in tomorrow morning.
At 1.10 ounce, sorry, we have JASS. Come on up because you just got $1,100. All right, round of applause for all of our participants. It's
For the kids.
I did tell you.
The Bearcat gives back to the community at all times. It's for the children. For the children.